Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to install these switches right here. So it doesn't matter if you guys are installing this one, it's a three-way switch, or a single pole switch. We're going to install them both so you can see exactly how to install them. So in this video, we'll be showing you how to replace them. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to take out the old ones and put these new ones in there. So these are the tools that you need, and that's it. It's very simple. Next up, we have to go downstairs and just turn off the power just for whatever switch we're doing. So in this case, we're gonna do three-way switches first. So we're just gonna turn that off.